How to fix WhatsApp video call problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix video call problem for WhatsApp. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix the video call problem on WhatsApp, it's very simple. First of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated WhatsApp, just go ahead and open settings, and as you open settings, go to the option called apps. Once you go to apps, on the list of these applications, just go ahead and look for WhatsApp. If you don't find it, you can also simply use the search box in this case. Once you go ahead and tap on the search box, first of all, just in case, go to storage and clear all of the cache files over here. Do not clear the data because that is going to remove all of your data from the WhatsApp app. After you've cleared the temporary files, go to permissions, and since we are facing video call problems, we will select the option that says camera, and we want to make sure that it is set to allow, because when it is set to don't allow or ask every time, WhatsApp will not be able to use the camera, and as a result, it will not be able to also perform video calls. So just make sure it is set to allow. After that, you can come back and go to microphone. Once you go to microphone, also make sure that microphone is also set to allow, because even if the WhatsApp app has camera permissions and doesn't have microphone permissions, it will not be able to load the video calls. And hopefully one of these would have definitely solved your problem. If it did help solve your issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.